Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be making potato bites. It's a quick snack recipe. These crispy potatoes are perfect for evening snacks and you can pack this for your kids' snack box as well. It stays good in the freezer up to 6 months and it comes handy when you run short of time. Now let's get started. Ingredients to make potato bites. This is half a kilo boiled potato. Now let's mash it. It's easy for us to mash the potatoes when it's hot. Once it's cooled down, it's very difficult to mash. It becomes hard. So as soon as you boil the potatoes, mash it. To this I'm adding 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander leaves, quarter teaspoon of chili powder, quarter teaspoon of pepper powder, quarter teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs, 3/4 teaspoon of salt and quarter cup of corn flour. Mix all these ingredients until well combined. Grease your palms with oil. Take a handful of this potato mixture. Roll it with your palms to get a cylinder shape. Using a fork, just give an impression on the potato, then cut and keep it aside. You can make these bites in any shape. Now bites are ready to be fried. For egg wash, add 2 eggs, season it with some salt and pepper and give a whisk. This is half a cup of panko. You can also use breadcrumbs. To this I'm adding 3 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese. Heat up oil for frying. Take a potato bite, dip it in the egg wash and then coat well in the panko or breadcrumbs. Keep the flame on low to medium heat. Add it to the pan, fry on both sides until they turn nice and brown. This will take around 2 to 3 minutes. These potato bites are soft on the inside and crispy on the outside. I think it's one of the best tea time snacks for everyone, especially for kids. There you go, our crispy potato bites, a must-try recipe. Enjoy this snack anytime. Give this potato bite a go and share this recipe with your family and friends. And also share your feedback about this recipe in the comment section below. I hope you all find this recipe useful. If you do, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. For more such interesting videos, click on the left to check out my previous video and on the right my other recipes. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.